Well, I got this box today, and there's this. I did not do any real Black Friday shopping. I had 2 gift cards, and I used them both. I don't know which store this one was from, but we're going to open it. I ordered 2 boxes of stuff at the same time. And I don't know which one this is. Oh, this is the Guggen Squad box. So, got a bunch of stuff. There's a lot of stuff in here. Oh, this Bass Mafia Guggen Squad tackle box. Tote, however you choose to call it. This thing's pretty damn stout. So that was free with the purchase of all of that. We're gonna get into that in a minute. Got some line. It's a 12-pound fluorocarbon. They had it for $10. It's okay. As much line as I go through, I don't mind it. All right. One of the things I really wanted, I like these 3-bladed swim bait kits. These are awesome. I love them. There's 3 of them. Got some Rattle and Neds. 1 in Blue Penny. Standard issue PB&J. And I believe this one is, Flamin' Hot. In my opinion, this is a good one to have. That color specifically. Some toads to go on my buzz baits. Got a bunch of Rattle and Ned hooks. These were on sale for half off for $2.50 a pack, and that's a pretty good price. And what else we got? Oh, I got some trench hogs, and these are green pumpkin. I like these. I've been trying to get into this crappie thing. Where is my knife? There it is. Okay. Are you kidding me, Dots? Knock it off. You guys, I needed some crappie stuff. So I bought a kit. Just a kit from the Guggen Squad stuff of... I'm just kind of looking at it. It comes with... Everything's pretty much the same color, but a different bait. Knock it off. It's a neighbor dog right there going bananas. We got some 1/8 ounce white crappie jigs. 16 ounce green underspin crappie jigs. And what do we got here? 1 16 ounce pink green, or excuse me, pink crappie jigs. And then they're all the same color, but they're called different stuff. Anyway, we got the 2.5 inch snacky swimmer in blackjack is what they say here. And we get a little smaller here. We have the 2 inch snacky swimmer as well in blackjack. 2.5 inch dangle dart in blackjack. 1.7 inch chubby grubby in blackjack. And a 2 inch bumpin' bug in electric chicken. Let's just kind of fan this out and see what we got. If I can't catch a crappie with this stuff, I need to just hang it up. Now, this deal here, pretty standard issue construction on the inside, consistent with other tackle boxes. They've color coded things, of course. It's waterproof, which is good for your hooks. If you get any moisture in these things and you look later down the road, the hooks will be rusty and nasty. So I think we found a solution to our terminal tackle with this case right here. But it's quite a bit more stout than your standard issue 3700. Yeah, it's this one here is quite a bit more robust and stout than your standard issue 3700 style tackle tote tray box, what have you. Yeah, I think that's what's gonna happen, you guys. I think I'm going to simplify my terminal tackle into this box. I think this is a good idea. I hope you guys are having a great day. When I get the 6 cents bundle, I will show you that. Everything that you just saw here, and you got to remember some of this stuff's not real cheap. These are 10 bucks a piece. 3-blade, 3-arm A-rigs that you can use in BFLs. And spools of line these are 10 bucks each. So, I mean, right there's 50. And then 3 packs of Ned rigs, or Ned baits. A thing of trench hogs, 4 things of rattling Ned hooks. And of course a white frog, which I paid normal, I think I paid about 8 bucks, which is, I feel is high. But I'm telling you, where I fished, you have to have one of these. I believe this. That was $100 worth of stuff on a gift card. The box was free for spending that money. Anyway, we'll see what the... I forgot what I got on the 6 cents deal, but I know I did get some storage options and a bunch of lures. So when that shows up, we'll go through that. But I ordered them at the exact same time. This one shipped on the 4th and got here today. I don't know what's going on with the other one. It's shipping DHL, which is rare. So, you guys have a great day. I'll see you real soon. Take it easy. Thank you for watching.